Ready?
Ready.
So, ang tanong kasi, okay, ang tanong sa video na to is how to start your own soap or a soap business. Yan ang tanong. Okay? Alright, ready? Alright. Okay, so good evening. The question is, how to start your own or a soap business? Okay, first step that you need to do is to purchase the package. This is called the G1 package. This is called the Aura Soap Collection G1 package. Okay? Ang laman nito, 30 pieces ng iba't ibang klase ng Aura Soap Collection. 6 na klase. Iba't iba yan. Okay? Merong stem cell, may oatmeal, may slimming, may 10-in-1, may love soap, and honey butter soap. So, first step, bibilin mo to para masimulan mo yung negosyo. Magkano to? Okay, let's move here. Ang amount na yan, nagkakahalaga ng 11,500 pesos. Okay? Aura Soap Collection. Lahat to, pagka nabenta mo lahat ng 30 pieces na to, ang value nito, 15,840. 30 pieces yan. Alright? Pag naubos mo lahat yan, kumita ka na ng 4,840. Ano yan? Profit mo na yan. 300, sorry. 4,340. Profit mo na yan. Kasama sa pagbili ng package, okay, yung negosyo. So, since negosyo to, pwede kang kumita. First step is yung 30% lifetime discount. The moment na binili mo yung package, lifetime, meron ka ng 30% discount. So, meaning, kung bibili ka ulit, pag sariling gamit mo, nakatipid ka na. Kung ibebenta mo, kumita ka na. Ngayon, sa akin, bukod sa sabon, ang tingin ko dito, business card. Bakit? 30 pieces ng sabon yan. Sa 30 pieces ng sabon, posible kaya na meron ka mga nabigyan na gusto rin magnegosyo? Okay, good news. Okay. Well, posible kaya, out of 13 tao na gumamit ng sabon, 5 sa kanila gusto rin mag-business?
Yes.
Correct. Okay? Good news. Walang pwedeng pumunta sa kumpanya na to or sa GFI na basta-basta na lang pupunta sa counter para mag-purchase ng G1 package kahit may pera pa siya. Why? Kailangan may sponsor. So, from this scenario, every time may na-sponsor ka, meron kang 500 pesos. So, kung 5 tao yung na-sponsor mo, magkano kinita mo? 2,500 pesos. So, ito yung pangalawang way ng kitaan. Pangatlong way ng kitaan. Ito yung tinatawag na point system matching bonus. Okay. Para ma-explain ko to, I will create a scenario. Alright? So, this is a scenario. I need a name. Sinong pwedeng hirapin kong pangalan?
Candy.
Si Candy. Okay? So, si Candy, okay, ilan yung na-sponsor niya? 5. Assuming, nakuha ni Candy yung 5 business partners niya in 1 month. Next step is turuan ni Candy yung 5 new business partners niya to do the business. How to explain the benefits of the soap and how to explain the business. Kaya ano yung kasamang business dito? And paano kumita dun sa business side? Okay, pag nagawa ni Candy yun, naturuan niya yung 5 tao niya, posible kaya na yung ginawa ni Candy magawa rin ng 5?
Yes.
Ito pang 5 tao na to, may kakilala rin 5 tao na liligo?
Yes.
Okay, assuming nakakuha sila, nakapag-sponsor na sila ng 5 new business partners on the second month ni Candy. Question, si Candy ba kumuha dito?
No.
Hindi. Anong next step ni Candy? Next step ni Candy is turuan niya yung 5 niya na business partner kung paano tuturuan yung 5 business partner nila to do the business and to explain everything about the product. Pag nagawa ng tama yan, posible kaya makakuha rin ng 5 business partner each.
Yes.
So this is 125. Assuming nangyari yan on the 3rd month. And nagawa ng tama, naturuan, nakakuha ng 5, this is 625. This is 4th month. Take note. Lahat tayo, ilan lang ang kinuha natin business partner? 5 lang. Mahirap ba yun o kaya-kaya?
Kaya.
Okay. After 4 months, ang business partners ni Candy, umabot ng 780 people. Tanong, Kilala ba ni Candy to?
No.
Si Candy ba ang kumuha dito?
No.
Effort pa niya yan? Anong effort niya?
5.
Okay, nagturo lang siya. Okay. Now, may mga rules dito sa PSM bonus. First rule. 1 point left plus 1 point right is equals to 1,200 pesos. Each G1 package is equivalent to 1 point. May maximum income potential dito. Ang maximum income potential, pag naka G1 package ka, maximum income potential mo is maximum of 10 paired points per day or 12,000 pesos per day or 360,000 pesos per month. Pwede mong i-upgrade sa G3 para lumaki yung income mo to a maximum of 20 points per day or 24,000 pesos per day or 360,000 pesos or 720,000 pesos per month. Alright? Question. Paano nangyayari yan? Okay? So for computation's sake, if this is 780 people na kumuha ng 11.5 G1 package equivalent to 1 point, this is 780 points. Okay? I-divide lang natin yung 780 points into left and right. Okay? So if this is Candy, left and right, 780 divided by 2 is 390. So that is 390 pairs. Sabi, 1 point left, 1 point right, 1, 2. So this is 390 pairs times 1, 2. Total is 468,000 pesos. So itong projection na pwedeng kitain ni Candy in 4 months. Pwede na?
Yes.
Ito yung pangatlong way ng kitaan. Alright? Yung pang-apat na way is yung tinatawag na unilevel income. Okay, paano yan? From this projection, if this is Candy, ilang tao niya? 780. So, paano nangyari yan? Ulitin lang natin. So, si Candy, she got 5 new business partners. Tinuruan niya, kumuha ng 5. Tinuruan to, kumuha ng 5. 125 and this is 625. This is a total of 780. Now, ang kikitain ni Candy dito is through rebates. Okay, paano yun? Every time bumibili, nagre-repurchase, nagre-order, nagbenta, or gumamit ng pangsariling gamit, yung 5 new business partners ni Candy, si Candy, meron siyang 6% rebates dun sa amount na na-purchase ng 5 new business partners niya. Okay? Sa second level, every time bumili, gumamit, nagbenta, nag-order, nag-purchase, si Candy may rebates na 4%. Yung third level, meron siyang 2%, and yung fourth level, meron siyang 1.6%, up to the 8th level, that is 1.6%. Okay? Now, this is 780 people. 780 people sa ilalim ng network ni Candy. Is it possible for these people na makabenta ng 10 piraso ng Aura Stem Cell Soap in 1 month? Okay, is it possible? Aura Stem Cell Soap in 30 days. Kaya?
Yes.
Posible?
Yes.
Nagagawa niyo lahat yon?
Yes.
Kaya. So how many pieces is that? That is 7,800 pieces. Ang tanong, si Candy ba nagbenta niyan?
No.
Suggested retail price is 588 SRP. The amount sold is 4.6 million. Now, wag na natin i-compute sa 6% rebates, 4% rebates, or 2% rebates. I-compute na lang natin sa pinakamaliit na percentage. That is 1.6%. Ang total ng rebates na makukuha ni Candy is 73,000 pesos. Yan ang kinita ni Candy sa Unilevel income. Pwede na? Here's the good news. Ang sabon ba highly consumable?
Yes.
Naubos?
Yes.
So pag naubos, bibili ulit?
Yes.
Question, si Candy ba ang nagbenta?
No.
Kilala ba niya yung mga taong to? Yung mga nabentahan ng mga taong to, kilala ba ni Candy?
No.
Maybe some of them, but not all. Pero tuloy-tuloy ba ang kita niya? Yes, tuloy-tuloy. Kasi tuloy-tuloy ang gamit ng sabon. Just like, kung ano man yung sabon na ginagamit mo ngayon, tuloy-tuloy naman bili mo, di ba? So, ganun din to. And finally, yung pang-5 is what we call the infinity bonus.